As we age, it's common to experience a decline in muscle strength and overall energy. But did you know that what you eat plays a huge role in determining how well you age? Today, we'll delve into the essential nutrition tips specifically for those aged 60 and above to maintain muscle strength, boost energy levels, and support healthy aging. We'll cover the best foods, portion sizes, and address common challenges faced by seniors. So let's dive in. Muscle health through proper nutrition. One of the biggest challenges associated with aging is the natural decline in muscle mass and strength, known as sarcopenia. Sarcopenia can lead to weakness, impaired balance, and an increased risk of falls, which is one of the most significant health concerns for seniors. However, sarcopenia isn't inevitable. Research shows that adequate protein intake combined with regular exercise can significantly slow down or even reverse muscle loss. Current expert recommendations suggest that older adults consume 1.0 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. This helps maintain muscle mass and strength as we age. Great sources of protein include lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, low-fat, dairy products, nuts and seeds. It's important to distribute these protein sources evenly throughout the day, ensuring that each meal contributes to your daily protein goal. The importance of other nutrients for healthy aging. While protein is vital, several other nutrients play crucial roles in healthy aging. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for strong bones and muscle function. Vitamin D, in particular, becomes increasingly important with age due to the decreased production by the body and the higher risk of deficiency. Calcium-rich foods include dairy products, fortified plant milks, and leafy green vegetables. Meanwhile, vitamin D can be obtained through sun exposure, fatty fish, and fortified foods. Fiber is another essential nutrient that promotes healthy digestion and heart health. A high-fiber diet also helps regulate blood sugar and cholesterol levels, which are important considerations for aging individuals. Whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and legumes are excellent sources of fiber. Additionally, vitamin B12 is crucial for neurological function and energy production. However, B12 absorption can decrease with age, so supplementation or fortified foods are recommended, especially for those following a plant-based diet. Magnesium and potassium are essential for muscle contractions and cardiovascular health. These can be found in nuts, seeds, bananas, potatoes, and leafy greens. Omega-3 fatty acids are beneficial for reducing inflammation and supporting brain and heart health. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are great sources, but they can be incorporated twice a week. Flax seeds and chia seeds are also excellent options for obtaining these essential fats. Practical nutrition tips for seniors. Now that you understand the key nutrients for healthy aging, here are some practical tips for incorporating them into your daily routine. Eat a minimum of 20 to 30 grams of quality protein at each meal, ensuring you meet your daily protein requirements throughout the day. Include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. Aim for at least 5 servings a day, each offering unique vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. Limit sodium intake by avoiding processed foods and added sugars. Cook meals at home to control ingredients and monitor portion sizes. Consider using a food journal or app to track your meals and nutrient intake. Meal planning and cooking tips. Planning ahead can make a significant difference in maintaining a healthy diet. Here are some meal planning and cooking tips for seniors. Plan balanced meals that combine protein, healthy fats, fiber, and colorful vegetables. Examples include grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli, or scrambled eggs with spinach and whole grain toast. Batch cook and freeze meals to save time and ensure you always have a healthy option ready. Choose snacks wisely. Nuts, cottage cheese, or veggie sticks with hummus can help meet your nutrient needs between meals. If you face mobility or cooking challenges, utilize community resources, such as Meals on Wheels or senior centers. Addressing common challenges. Seniors may encounter various challenges that affect their ability to follow a healthy diet. Reduced appetite, dental issues, limited mobility, and medication interactions are some of the common hurdles. If you experience reduced appetite, try smaller, more frequent meals or nutrient-dense smoothies. For dental issues, opt for soft protein sources like yogurt, scrambled eggs, and well-cooked beans. If mobility or cooking is a challenge, explore community resources for assistance. And if medication interactions are a concern, work closely with your doctor to find solutions. Supplements and when to use them. While a well-balanced diet should provide all the necessary nutrients, some seniors may benefit from supplements. Vitamin D is often recommended, especially for those with limited sun exposure. Vitamin B12 supplements are suitable for vegetarians or those with absorption issues. Calcium supplementation may be beneficial if dietary intake is insufficient. However, it's important to consult a healthcare provider before starting any supplements to avoid interactions or excessive intake. Final encouragement. Maintaining a healthy diet as we age is crucial for preserving muscle strength, boosting energy levels and supporting overall well-being. By focusing on nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated and active, and addressing individual challenges, seniors can thrive in their golden years. Remember, small changes add up to significant improvements over time. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and prioritize your health because you deserve to age gracefully and vibrantly. Closing, thanks for joining us today. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay informed about our latest content. Share this video with your loved ones so they, too, can benefit from these essential nutrition tips. Until next time, eat well, stay active, and age healthily.